Okay, so here we've created a system that can send mass emails and help you generate leads through an email marketing campaign. I would guesstimate it can send somewhere between 5,000 to 500,000 emails per day, and it's all through your Gmail account. We do not recommend sending that many emails per day because Google places limits on the number of emails you can send each day. The cap right now, I believe, is around 2,000 messages per day. So be careful out there if you don't want your Gmail account to be blocked. Right here is where the recipient email go or the email sent to. We got a sample email over here and let's drag it 15 times. So we will receive 15 emails in this example. This is the send emails button. And right here is a button to configure the account from which your emails will be sent and also the app password that you must create with Google if you have the two-step verification set up. Once you click the button, it will prompt you to enter your email and your app password, and you'll be set. Now, here we have the from email, the CC, VCC, the subject. Let's say this is a test. And right over here, you can add attachments. All you have to do is copy and paste the path of the file you want to attach. Over here is where the body of our emails go, and we divided it into 5 paragraphs. But don't forget, everything here can be tailor-made to suit your needs. So we're just gonna add this, and this will show in the body of our email. Now all we got left is press the send emails button and check that we've sent 15 test emails to this address. So let's click it and they were sent. Now let's check it. And there you have it. Click. Everything can be tailored to suit your needs. Let's go back to our program. And thank you again for watching.